Hi everyone, my latest project was recovering this ironing board. Follow along as we transform this 20-plus-year-old ironing board and cover to this like new ironing board. We start off by removing the old cover and padding. Next we'll lay out the new padding, trace the shape of the ironing board, and then trim away the excess padding. Now we'll lay out the new board fabric and mark and outline 4 inches off the perimeter of the ironing board. And in this case, my wife chose a 100% cotton Palaka fabric. And we follow up by cutting away the excess fabric. Most advanced sewers will add a bias, but a beginner like me, I chose a simple double folded hem, and I'll start off with a 3/8-inch fold. I'll measure and clip this along the perimeter of the fabric. Then we'll jump on the sewing machine to sew the first fold of the double folded hem. Back to the table where we will measure a 3/4-inch fold for the second fold, and we'll measure and clip this around the entire perimeter of the fabric. Back to the sewing machine where we will stitch the second fold, and this will create the sleeve that we will thread the string through that will secure the cover onto the ironing board. Now we'll use a bobby pin to help us thread the string through the sleeve. I'll insert it through a 1-inch opening or gap we left in the stitching on the end of the board, and this will take some time, but we'll thread this all the way around until we get back to the opening in the stitching. Next we'll lay out the padding and then the board, and then we'll pull the string to cinch the new cover onto the board and tie to secure it in place. And finally, we'll flip the board over, admire our handiwork, and look for something to iron.